Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by listing all numbers clearly on one line or column for readability. Identify negative signs, decimals, and fractions before comparing values accurately. Convert fractions and mixed numbers to decimals or common denominators first. Then compare digits from left to right using place value rules for each number. Finally, rewrite the list starting with the smallest and ending with the largest value. Practice with 5 numbers like 42, 7, 19, 3, 56 to build confidence. Repeat regularly until ordering becomes quick and intuitive for everyday use. When you have many numbers, draw a simple number line to visualize order. Place each number approximately to scale and then adjust positions precisely. For pairwise comparison, compare leftmost digits first and move right when digits tie. For decimals, use place value alignment to avoid mistakes. For larger lists, use a spreadsheet sort or simple bubble sort steps to move larger numbers right. Bubble sort swaps adjacent numbers repeatedly until the list is ordered correctly. Check results by scanning left to right for increasing values. Be careful with negative numbers because -3 comes before -1 in ascending order. Align decimal places and convert fractions to decimals when necessary to compare accurately. Treat repeated numbers as equal and keep them adjacent to preserve order if stability matters. Use a quick verification step by scanning left to right to ensure each number is not larger than the next. For long lists, verify by reversing the list and confirming it decreases from largest to smallest. Practice common pitfalls until they no longer cause errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.